Welcome to Purple Trading. If you are new to trading or are familiar with MetaQuote's MT4 and are looking to switch to Purple Trading cTrader, we invite you to watch our video series on the differences between the two platforms. In this video, we will look at placing orders and the benefits of cTrader over MT4. MT4 offers the trader three methods to place orders. One-click trading, where you may set your lot size and enter the market directly. Via an order ticket, which displays a tick chart, and the options to set position size, stop loss, take profit, and the option to set a market order or pending order. And with a right click on the chart, the option of placing a limit order at the price referenced by your cursor position. On cTrader, that right click also gives you the option of stop orders and stop limit orders. cTrader has the quick trade option where you may place direct market orders with your lot size preset. As well, quick trade comes with an important addition of the ability to place pending orders simply by hovering and dragging to your desired price level. Your cTrader platform will know whether to place a stop or limit order, depending on which side of the current price the order lies. In your active symbol panel, you may easily search and select your symbol and type of order. Enter the market directly. Place a buy or sell limit order. Place a buy or sell stop order. And unlike MT4, you may place a buy or sell stop limit order. The stop limit order is a stop order which will only enter the market within a certain range, protecting you from market gaps and volatility. With stop and stop limit orders, you also have the option of changing the entry price from bid or ask with trade side and opposite side. As another level of protection, you may select double trade side or double opposite side, where price must achieve two consecutive ticks above or below the entry price respectively. On both platforms, positions and orders are displayed and can be modified by a right click, but cTrader provides you with a fully functioning chart instead of a tick chart, and, in the case of pending orders, you may modify the quantity of lots to be traded. Also, like MT4, you can find Create New Order by right-clicking on a chart or symbol, and you will see an order ticket, also with a fully functional chart, with the 4 order types displayed, and which is fully detachable on cTrader desktop. We will cover more on this in our next video on risk management and our further series on cTrader functionality. MT4 Mobile allows you to place orders, of course, but as we showed earlier, you must lose sight of the chart. cTrader Mobile in both iOS and Android allows you to place market orders from an order ticket with full view of price action. Just as cTrader Desktop and Web, all order types are available, and the critical benefit over MT4 Mobile, the positions and orders are visible on the chart. These can also be modified directly on the charts, and we will look at that in more detail in our next video. cTrader Mobile also includes the same trade side versus opposite side options. And in closing, all versions of MT4 will not allow you to place pending orders when the markets are closed, like the weekends. cTrader will allow you to do this, of course. Whether you are a beginning trader or have experience trading on other platforms, we hope you will enjoy this cTrader video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be purple.